Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript effectively, easy method. Start with short daily sessions and focus on fundamentals like variables and functions. Practice by building tiny projects, then read code from others. Use interactive tutorials and simple challenges to stay engaged. Track progress with a checklist and revisit weak areas regularly. Keep it fun and consistent so learning becomes a habit rather than a chore. Use active exercises and immediate coding to lock in concepts instead of only watching videos. Break topics into focused short sessions so your brain can absorb each idea fully. When stuck, isolate a single concept and practice it repeatedly with small examples. Explain what you learned out loud or write a concise note to reinforce memory. Rotate practice projects to cover different skills and keep your study routine varied and manageable. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after marathon coding sessions because clean air pairs well with clear thinking. I put the product link and other deals in the description, so check there when you can. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with a small to-do app to practice basics, then create a weather widget to learn API calls and async code. Gradually add DOM interactions and styling to make projects feel real and useful. Revisit older projects to refactor using modern patterns and modules so your code quality improves. Each project should teach one new skill and remain simple enough to finish within a few days to keep momentum and confidence growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.